Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to find the right career or feel stuck in your job, this story is for you. Today, I'm sharing exactly how I manifested my dream job using the law of attraction, and no, it's not magic, it's mindset. Let's get into it. A couple of years ago, I was stuck in a job I hated. The pay was low, I was overworked, and I felt invisible. Every day felt like I was just surviving, not living. I knew I was meant for more, but I didn't know how to change things. That's when I discovered the law of attraction. I started small. I watched videos, read The Secret, and wrote in a journal. I wrote this sentence every day. I am so grateful for my dream job that fulfills me and pays me well. Even when I had no clue what that job was yet, I just focused on the feeling. I practiced visualizing myself walking into my ideal office, smiling, confident, respected. But it wasn't just about thinking positive. I updated my resume. I started applying not from desperation, but from alignment. I only applied to jobs that excited me, that matched what I wrote in my journal. I stopped settling. I even turned down an offer that didn't feel right, which was scary. But I trusted. Then, it happened. Out of nowhere, I got a call from a company I had applied to months ago and forgotten about. The interview felt like a conversation. I was calm, confident, like I already had the job. A week later, I got the offer. Higher pay, remote work, a positive team, it checked every box from my journal. I had manifested it. If you're trying to manifest your dream job, here's what worked for me. Clarity, know what you want and why. Gratitude, feel thankful before it shows up. Visualization, see it, feel it, believe it. Action, take inspired steps. Don't just wish, move. Trust, let go of how and when. It will come. Thanks for listening to my story. If this inspired you, give it a like and comment below what you're trying to manifest, I'd love to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more law of attraction tips and real-life success stories. You've got this, your dream life is waiting.